battery off there. Now what we can do, let's just see where we are. Now what we can do is take the Makita battery. You notice there's a gap opened up here now, and there'll probably be a little gap opens up at the back. Shove the battery in. Okay, don't have to do any other mods, just drill that screw out and loosen that back star drive. Then the battery's on. It won't lock, that doesn't really matter, it's on pretty firm, and surprise surprise, there we go. We've got a rattle drill that works, and that battery, it's not going to fall off. It's on pretty firm. You've got to give it a bit of a shove to get it on. But it works. So if you need to bodge one of these to fit a Makita battery, that's the way I did it. I wouldn't recommend doing anybody else doing it, but it's just a bit of food for thought if you get stuck with a 20 quid rattle drill, which actually is quite nice, and no batteries. So there we are. Just drill out that one, and just unscrew that one. You need a star drive to do it. So there we are. Hope that helps.